Hello everyone. This is how I'm getting ready for tomorrow's snowstorm. So check your snowblower. Mine is Toro Power. Check if it has enough of gas in it, or if not, fill it up. So these are the instructions. The first one is saying to put this plug in. So this part has to be inside. And the second one is saying to pump this 3 times. So we have to pump this 1, 2, 3, and then this one has to be backwards here, and then we need to pull the cord, and then once the engine starts we have to turn it back, this one back to here. Okay, so I'm going to start it again. This 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then pull this cord. Yeah, so the first instructions did not work, so we have to go to these instructions. We have to plug this cord and give the power supply here, and then we need to press this button. Pull this rod towards you. To switch off the engine, we need to unplug this key, the red key. Let's sprinkle some salt. I took some salt in the spreader and just sprinkled it in the middle of the driveway so that it won't become too slippery. I hope this helped you, and thank you for watching.